I'm going to splash people at Subway. Ha 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 ha.
Hello. Welcome to Subway. How may I? Oh my God. We're all soaking wet.
Ha 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 ha. I got you all. You're all soaking wet.
Oh my God. Sir. I can't believe you splashed me and my customers. Now we're all soaking wet because of you. That's it. You're banned from this Subway restaurant for 5 days. Get out now.
Where were you, Mr. WCTA?
I went to Subway, and I splashed people including the manager at Subway, and I got banned for 5 days after that.
Oh my gosh. Mr. WCTA. I can't believe you splashed people including the manager at Subway. You know splashing people at a restaurant is unacceptable, and it can get you banned for it. That's it, young man. You're grounded for 5 days. Go to your room right now, and I will tell your mom about this when she gets home from grocery shopping.
If you say so.